Good morning guys, in front of me is Realme 10 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first open the settings, then find and go to System Settings and then select Backup and Reset. And now under Google Backup you will notice Backup My Data. So actually all you have to do is to click on the switcher. And that's it. If you are already logged in, your account would be added automatically. Obviously, if you haven't added your account yet, you will have to provide all, like your email address or phone number along with the password to apply this account to your backup profile. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.